Oban Elliott's undefeated run in the UFC ended at UFC Baku, where he was handed a unanimous decision loss by Seokhyeon Ko. The 27-year-old Welsh welterweight, known as the Welsh Gangster, was outmatched throughout the fight, with all three judges scoring it 30-27 to the South Korean, making his UFC debut. Elliott struggled to escape Ko's dominant grappling and clinch control. Ko continuously pressured him, attempting numerous submissions during the 15-minute fight. Despite Elliott's efforts to break free and his desperate push for a knockout in the final round, he was unable to turn the tide. Before this setback, Elliott had been on a promising trajectory since his UFC debut in February 2024. He had earned decisive wins, including a devastating knockout over Basil Hafez at UFC 309, along with unanimous decisions against Preston Parsons and Val Woodburn. His performances had marked him as a rising talent in the welterweight division. Elliott had prepared for the bout by training both in Germany and at Shaw, mixed martial arts in Wales. He also sought guidance from former UFC champion Michael Bisping, who inspired him with advice to stay grounded and focused amid the pressures of competing at the highest level. The loss at UFC Baku was a major learning moment for Elliott. It exposed areas he needs to improve, particularly his grappling defence and ability to maintain composure when under relentless pressure. Despite the defeat, Elliott remains motivated and determined to analyse his performance and come back even stronger. Now he will return to training with a renewed focus, aiming to bounce back even better. His resilience, dedication and commitment to growth will be essential as he seeks to re-establish himself as a serious contender in the competitive UFC welterweight division. Fans and experts alike will be watching closely to see how he responds to his first professional defeat.